Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's Moyo, and I have for you this beautiful, stunning look on this girl because this look was so pretty that I just obviously I filmed it before the process, but then I had to upload it before the other videos I had ready because it was too beautiful to just let go like that. So first I started with a primer, Flawless Ivy, and now I'm using a setting powder all over her oily sides. And yeah, then I'll go in with her eyebrows, and I'll just come into pitching one or two when it's necessary. Now I'm brushing her eyebrows with setting powder as well, just making everything look a little bit dim before I now use a what do they call this thing again, a gel liner. So I'm using a brown and a black gel liner, and I'm mixing the brown with the black because I want to have a very dark under underline and then a light inside line. I don't know if you understand, but then just watch this process, it's explanatory. So what I basically did was to line the outer corners of her eye with this dark shade and then go in with a lighter shade. You guys, I'm not good with my left. I don't know why. I always have a mistake going on with my left. I don't know. I'll try to improve on that, but all the same, everything will still come out looking good. So now I'm just brushing it and then taking a light brown to fill in the inner corners of her eyebrow, and after that I will be concealing. And to conceal, I'm going to be using three shades. Basically, I'm going to be using Cool Tan, Fawn, and Toffee. I'm just basically brushing inside with the other one I used to line out, just like a swing motion, just to get it a little bit dark as well, but not too dark. So what I'm showing you, I'm using Fawn, that is Fawn, that is Cool Tan, and the other one on my right hand is Toffee. So I'll first use Cool Tan to arc the eyebrow, and then I'll use Fawn to follow along the outer corner, and then I'll use Toffee to line the top because Toffee is most closest to her skin shade. Yeah.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish and run, yeah, yeah.
Once that is done, I'm going to use a clean brush to blend that into her skin. And yeah, try to be very precise with this step because you don't want to mess up the eyebrow you already did. If you don't have like a fluffy clean brush, you can also use a very very precise beauty blender. I also used like part of the concealer to brush her eyebrows a little bit just to fade in that inner corner. So now I'm taking a very dark purple to put on her crease, and after that I'm just trying to pack enough to be able to blend it into her skin. Then after that I'll go in with pink to fade that out, and yeah, I'll come in to tell you what you need to know. Okay, so this is where I'm using the pink to fade it out into like her brow bone area and also fade it into her skin. So now I'm cutting her crease using a mixture of Ben 9 and Fawn to cut her crease because I don't want it to be too white, so I'm trying to be a little bit too precise with this. And just cut her crease, avoid staining her other already done makeup with concealer. Just try to be very precise. After this, I used the dark purple eyeshadow I used earlier to start her crease with. So I'm using it to blend out the concealer I just drew and try my best to avoid any harsh lines afterwards. Then I'm going to be applying a white eyeshadow on top of that concealer to also serve as my base, after which I'm going to be applying white, silver and blue glitters on the eyeshadow. But I'll try, like I tried to make the white and the silver more than the blue, so the blue was just like another shade blending in, but then all the same it just came out very nice. Before this I actually made a lot of mistakes, but yeah, I was able to like cover up for it anyway. So after the glitters, I'll just be blending in that color and then I'll be starting with her face. Now I'm just applying the foundation with the brush, trying to even it out, after which I'll be using a damp beauty blender to dab everything in and to set out an even base. So to highlight her face, I'm going to be using the cool tan shade and the fawn shade. The cool tan will be in her tear duct area and the fawn shade will be in the remaining parts of her face. And then for contour, I use espresso shade for her contour, after which I just blended everything in. So now I'm using a powder to set her highlight and her contour areas. Try my best to dab excess oil out and to just make that pop out a little bit more. So I think I'm mixing two highlight shades and two contour shades as well. You see where my brush is going to. So those are the contour shades I'm mixing.
I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see.
Always make sure that whatever makeup you do, you don't leave out the under part of your eye, because it also adds to the beauty. So I'm just repeating everything I did up to the down part but without the glitters. So everything I blended out, the crease shade, the transition shade, everything, I'm just repeating it down, and then I'll apply eyeliner, mascara, and then put on falsies for her before I jump into the lip.
Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby.
So for the lip, I'm using the shade I used to line out her eyebrow, to line out her lip, and then I'll be going in with VIP classic lipstick all over that, and then I'll go in with a nude shade. Just look at what I'm doing. So here I went in with the VIP all over that eyebrow shade I did, and then I went in with the nude on top of that. I was blending with your hand is the best thing to do when you are dealing with lipstick. I think like it's to avoid stickiness with the brush, and then it's to avoid your brush from taking excess products basically. So blending out with your hand is the best thing to do. So I used the nude shade, used the VIP, used the eyebrow paint I used on her eye for her lip, and then I went in with a white paint also on top of that because I was not really feeling the lip. I just needed a little bit more pop to it, so I added the white shade, and this really brought out the lip so much. So don't be mad at me that the lips are not properly done or anything. I'll be lining that out with a toffee concealer because that's the closest to her skin, and I don't want anything to ruin all what I just did. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm lining out her lip with a toffee concealer just to give a very clean lipstick finish to that. And yeah, oh my god, this look is actually quite beautiful. So now I'm just using a mascara on the bottom lashes, And I just want everything to pop basically, because she's already popping, she's already fine, so why not just let everything pop. So I'm using an orange eyeshadow for her blush, and then I will be using a highlighter shade, mixing two different highlighters, just trying to put that at the highest point of her cheeks and her eyebrow area as well. I'm just trying to blend out the excess because I don't want the highlighter to be more than the look, you know. That is not done anywhere. Okay, so that's basically what I'm doing. Highlight her face, make sure it's popping enough. Just don't make it too much. Don't make your highlighters too much because you don't want your highlighters to be shouting. So for the hair and the whole laying of the frontal and everything, there'll be another video coming up because this video is kind of divided into 3 parts. This was meant to be the 3rd part, but I couldn't wait to post it, so I had to post it on time. So now I'm just using a powder to just blend her lace front to the actual skin tone she's in, so it won't look too different basically. And oh my god, look at this, it's so beautiful. Like, I know my camera is not the best, but then for my camera to still be able to bring out this beauty, please, you have to no, this is too much. This is so fine. It's actually really nice. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure you like, share, subscribe, and yeah. Let them see. Oh my god. Hey, Chineke. Baby, mwah.
Wait, I say this is
Hey,
not
girl. Ooh. Ah.
Moyo.
She's sweet.
Oh god.
Sweet like
you
sugar.
not allowed to keep a straight face.
Oh yeah, keep a straight face.
Yeah, I can't keep a straight face.
So nice. Thanks for watching. Can you tell my viewers to subscribe, please?
Thank you for watching, and kindly subscribe to our channel. Yes, thank you.